Hello brother, now I will show you how you can create your bookable product in vendor. Okay, now I'm going to log in as a vendor in your website. Okay, just now I'm going to log in. Now I'm successfully logged in as a vendor. Okay, now just uh, here we have two options. We can simply add the product from here, go to product and add new product, or the other way you can click on new and product. Okay, and then we can add new product. Here I will choose right name of product demo 2. Basically I am logged in as a vendor. Here we can write the description, dummy text. Okay, this is dummy text. Okay, no problem. Here you need to change the type. Here we can add variable product, and now we'll go to attribute. Here we need to add attribute, select all, use a vendor, save attribute, and now here we need to enable this option, enable booking rate. Okay, allow multiple day booking, enable this. Minimum day booking, we need to select minimum day booking 1. Okay, and now we can also enable the thing advanced booking period 10 hours. Okay, you can do anything what you want. Basically now you have full access, and now the vendor has full access of product page. Okay, the vendor can add any product, any type of bookable, downloadable, virtual, any product they want. Here we can write a short description. Okay, now we are going one thing more. Here you can choose your gallery, add to gallery. Okay, here you can type demo. You can also select the category what they want. Now you can also choose the image. Just wait, first we need to publish. We can preview, change. Oh yeah, sorry we forgot to add the main image. Here we need to product image, choose this image. You can also choose from, vendor can also choose from the gallery or library. Okay, we are going to 100%. Here you can choose none, make full size, use a product image, insert into post. Okay, now the image is added. Now I'm going to update this one. Now you can click on preview to see the preview. See, here is the preview of what you want. Okay, but one thing, sorry, we forgot. I think we have not added the prices of variable attributes. Here we need to add custom like Basically these are used for a variation. When you create, we need to add variation. Variation are very necessary. Like you want variation and variation for all. Go. Okay. Okay. 6 variation are added. Now we need to select price of for each. 900. Okay, here you can also write SKU number, anything what you want. You can also enable this if you want to recurring payment manage. Here you can also select the days, fixed booking. Enable this one, add booking block if you want to add booking. Okay, price, yeah, enable this, add range. Here minimum day 1, maximum day of like 60, price 10, fixed price 200, and a save range. Now update. Basically vendor can do anything what they want. Okay, like session 1 choose one date from 11 to 12. Okay, add to cart. Here now we got successfully created the product.